Hi, this is Matt Hillebrand with Don's Appliances, and I'm going to show you the proper way to clean stainless steel. The first thing you're going to want to use is a water-based stainless steel cleaner. This is our Don's Appliances water-based stainless steel cleaner. We guarantee this will be the best stainless steel cleaner you've ever used, or we'll give you your money back. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and clean this stainless steel refrigerator, and if you notice, there's a lot of fingerprints all over this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and spray the area, and I'm going to spray it very liberally. And then I'm going to go ahead and spray my soft paper towel, and then I'm going to start wiping it down. And it really doesn't matter how you go over the stainless. Some of the oil-based cleaners you have to go one way because it streaks and it's horrible. It just really doesn't matter. So I'm going to go ahead and really apply that, and then I'm going to turn the paper towel over and wipe off all of that residue. And if you notice, it puts a nice sheen on the stainless, and it gets rid of all fingerprints. But what that sheen does is it'll help prevent future fingerprints from showing up, and it's real easy to maintain. So I'm going to go ahead and just finish this up. But be sure to go to our website to order, donsappliances.com, or go to any of our 9 showrooms to order your own bottle of the Don's Appliance water-based stainless steel cleaner. Thank you.